You've got the exercise plan, the skincare plan, but when's the last time you took care of your brain? Anxiety, brain fog, memory loss. This class will teach you science-backed ways to combat these issues so they don't take over your life. What is the biggest threat to our brain health? High levels of stress and anxiety.
If you're stressed while you are eating a meal, it will be as if you ate 104 more calories than you actually did. There's a lot of hype right now about getting enough sleep. That hype is absolutely 100% correct.
No matter what age you are, we are able to shift our brain health. This class is going to teach you how.
I'm Dr. Uma Naidu.
I'm Dr. Lisa Feldman-Barrett.
I'm Dr. Wendy Suzuki, and this is Brain Health on MasterClass.